Hey, what's going on, guys? It's 4K coming back at you with another video, and this is one that I've been wanting to make for a little bit now regarding Dodge. We all know that they dropped the ball as far as the new vehicle coming out, the electric Charger, Daytona, whatever it is, right? We all know that people that drive these cars, people that like these cars, aren't really into the whole electric thing. I made plenty of videos about the electric cars and what they're capable of, and I do think everybody needs to at least try it. But I think as far as it pertains to Dodge and what they're doing, I think that, you know, they kind of just they put all their eggs in one basket. They waited too long, so we didn't get any type of transition. We just got awesome gas power cars, supercharged cars, big fire breathing monsters, to an electric dud, so to speak. Now, I'm gonna all the way save and reserve judgment on it until I really see it out in the street. But I mean, at the end of the day, I think for what Dodge has created and the market that they've created for the people that like these cars, I don't think that that's it. So at this point, for the people out there that love the Chargers, that love the Challengers, that love these type of vehicles, where do you go from here? It almost seems like Dodge has kind of alienated its core fan base, its core buyer, and its core consumer. And at this point, it's just very uncertain as to what's happening next, as to what they're doing. I mean, we all see the Hornet. I don't think that anybody that's into the Charger and Challenger are really worried about a Hornet. And I do think that the electric car is going to be very pricey, and I don't think that that's what people want. So where does that leave us? Right now, if you look on the used car market, the Charger and the Challenger are holding steady at price. They're actually kind of high price right now on the used market. On brand new market, dealers are charging over sticker. I mean, it's kind of getting ridiculous. So at this point, we see now the Camaro is basically dead. Charger and Challenger are dead. Mustang's coming out with the new model 2024. Seen the Dark Horse in person, it looks really good. I think that as far as racing on the street, at the end of the day, a Mustang is definitely a viable option. They're faster than the Scat Packs out of the box, and with a few bolt-ons, easy mods, you can make those cars super fast for a little bit of money, as opposed to the Scat Pack, where it's going to take a lot of money, and Hellcat's going to be more on the expensive side too. But the Mustang, it seems like it's the last of the Mohicans. It's the last sports car V8, pseudo muscle car. I don't call the Mustang a muscle car. It's a sports car, but it's the last of the big three that's coming out new, refresh with that S650. And at this point, I think Dodge needs to do something. I think they need to backtrack a little bit. I think they really need to bring out a new sedan and put the Hurricane in it. I think that they need to do something to replace the Charger. I think the Charger it needs to be replaced. I don't see how they move forward with just the Durango, the Hornet, and the electric Charger, Daytona, whatever, right? I think that there needs to be some type of, there needs to be something. We need a bridge. I think that Dodge is gonna fail if they go on with what they got. So, I mean, at this point, even me as a Dodge consumer, I'm considering the Mustang at this point, just because of the fact that it's a little bit more affordable. It's, it looks great. It's fast. It's a more modern engine, and you can just throw a boost at it and make crazy power. I mean, easily beating Hellcats. It's not even, it's too easy, right? So, but at the end of the day, I do love the whole muscle car theme. I love how the Dodge is. I love these cars. I love their big boats, gas guzzler. It's a traditional muscle car, right? So it kind of puts me at a pickle. But I want to know, what do you guys think? I mean, at this point, I think Dodge is going to crumble if they continue going on the way that they're going. And right now, I know plenty of people that are in Dodges that are gonna have to look elsewhere. And if you're looking to get one of these cars, I mean, good luck trying to get a new one, right? But just look on the pre-owned market. When I was in the market and when I got my Dodge in 2017, a Scat Pack was $39,000. $39,000. I mean, right now you can barely touch one for that. And if you're getting one for anything cheaper, it's got high miles on it, probably been beat up, a takeover queen, you know what I mean? Sideshow car. So it's just getting kind of crazy out here. But jump in the comment box. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys sticking with Dodge? Are you guys out there that want one? Are you still going to hold out and pay these high prices for these used cars with high mileages that be beat up? Or are you going to another manufacturer? Are you looking at the Ford Mustang? Jump down in the comment box. Let me know. Dark Horse is looking kind of good. I'm kind of thinking about it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you on the next one.